It did take all day, but the jury for Trisha Stratman's trial this week is now chosen.
The former Crosse County Sheriff's deputy is charged in connection to a crash last year that killed an area teenager. News 8's Holmen joins us now with the latest. Lou?
Well, the jury selection process started shortly after 9 this morning. It took until 5 this evening to pick the 12 jurors and 2 potential alternates who will decide Stratman's fate. From a starting pool of more than 100 people, on Monday, potential jurors were whittled down slowly.
Could never result in criminal charges.
They're being picked for one of the most high-profile trials to happen in our area in quite a while. Trisha Stratman is accused of driving her squad car nearly 100 miles per hour while responding to a call in the summer of 2010. En route, she smashed into a vehicle driven by a Holmen teenager. The crash killed 16-year-old Brandon Jennings. A state patrol investigation found that Stratman did have her sirens and lights on at the time. Jurors will decide if Stratman was criminally negligent that day. Now, this afternoon, in somewhat of a twist, the potential jurors were taken one at a time into a back conference room. There, they were asked specifically about the media coverage surrounding this case and whether they've seen or read anything that would affect their ability to remain impartial. Several jurors told Judge David Rice they had already formed their opinions on the case. Rice, who was brought in from Monroe County for the trial, then dismissed those people. During the questioning, Stratman sat quietly next to her attorney and took notes. After nearly 8 hours, the defense and prosecution had agreed on 9 men and 5 women who would make up the jury. Judge Rice then offered some instructions before sending them home.
I appreciate that it is tempting when you go home in the evening to discuss this case with a member of your family. However, I'm instructing you not to do so. This case must be decided by you, the jurors, based on the evidence presented in the courtroom.
There are 2 issues jurors will hear a lot about this week: what the law says about officers driving over the speed limit when responding to a call, and what the law says about officers driving through a red light when responding to a call.
All right, thanks, Lou. Now, the jurors will be sworn in first thing tomorrow morning. Then both sides will make their opening statements in the trial. It's expected to last through the week.